The Mercedes-Benz Trucks Assistance Systems, by your side. Active Brake Assist 6 Plus is the logical further development of Active Brake Assist 6. Thanks to 270-degree fusion technology, it can monitor the vehicle's surroundings even better and is supported by camera technology as well as multiple radar sensors. With its significantly extended monitoring range, both stationary and moving objects can be detected across several lanes. As soon as the vehicle moves off, the system detects and interprets its surroundings. In the event of potential hazards, it provides visual and acoustic warnings and, if necessary, can initiate partial or full braking in order to reduce the severity of an accident or, ideally, prevent one altogether. Active Brake Assist 6 Plus.
Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.